This is a 2000 and something or other Lexus RX 300. And today we're going to go for a drive from our hotel to Kinal's house in Cork Chalk Province. Commune. Huh?
Top natural.
That is natural.
You like this, eh?
Yeah, I'm talking excited because we're going for a drive.
That's fake excited. Are
It's
you
not
excited?
fake. I am. Hold the camera.
Let's do it!
Let's go. All right.
That's exciting.
How many times is it going to break on the way?
Don't know.
Well,
Say nuns, let's hope.
so let's have a look at the dash. Oh, no engine light today. Oh, just the fuel light. 166,000 miles on this thing. It is currently 109 Fahrenheit outside. Average fuel at 16.9, which is pretty good considering at some point it was like 18. It might not be a. There you go. Good thing. So now I need to.
Careful.
In reverse. And is anyone going to stop for me? No, so what we'll do is
No,
after
just
this
slow.
car, I'll just slowly make my way
So
out.
get yourself
Ready?
out. Go one to come
Go.
really fast.
It's alright. You'll go around me.
No, he's not.
Well,
Go.
guess what's just happened? Car stopped. Oh, now we've got motorbikes.
Just slowly go. Otherwise, you just need to keep going. They go
Alright.
around you. See?
Alright.
If you don't go, you're just gonna be stuck here all day.
Oh, I'll just sit here.
You're on the wrong side of the road.
Okay.
Go.
I'll have to get on that side of the road.
Oh, he's not watching. Ah! Ow! You need to beep him.
I have to get over there now. The car's going to stall. Go that way. These guys holding the table
Go.
will provide a much needed barrier for us. Alright. There we go. Where we going?
Right. Turn right. Yeah.
Turn right. And follow my...
Just keep going. Just go.
I'll wait for this guy. I'll wait for this guy.
You can't wait. You just need to go.
Here we go. Just like this guy, just
Yeah.
coming out.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's just how it is.
Gotta go left up the lights. Yeah, I'll be at Phuket 65, 265 from there. Jeez, just eating popcorn. Look at this guy, he's gonna try and turn.
No, you go.
That's a woman.
Yeah, she's.
She's pushed across 2 lanes.
Straight.
Who do I give way to at this intersection?
No one. Just keep going. You the car. You've got
I've got
more right.
way.
Yeah.
Let's give it a go. I'm only going to
Go.
look straight ahead. I'm only looking straight ahead. I'm going to...
See, stop for you.
Hey! Hi-oh! Thank you, Camry.
For you.
Bit of traffic chaos here. Around the van. He was very close. Thank you, Mitsubishi. Whatever it was. Dude.
It's a car pull out. One pull in, one pull out.
So where's this guy going?
He just
Yeah.
pull up.
What sort of vehicle is that? That's a nondescript, compact Toyota. That was a Corolla sedan.
And then another one. See, they just pull out in front.
Jeez. I'll give you some room. Come on. You're right, mate. You got a gold vehicle just like mine. Superstar. Well done.
Straight.
Now I'm surrounded by a swarm of motorcycles. 99% of them Honda Dreams. The Honda Dream, Cambodia's only motorcycle.
You can't really turn because that one's pushed forward.
Which one? This black
This
car?
side.
Yeah.
All of them. And then you've got no space to turn.
What if I just stop and create my own space?
Just keep moving. You see, they just keep moving, squeezing in.
Alright, well, I'm going to keep
There.
going.
Go.
Let's see if I can
No,
just
you can't now.
squeeze.
Let all of them come through.
Which one? Oh, these ones to my left.
Oh my god.
Huh?
You see, yeah.
Alright, well that's what I'll do. Bit of give and take here.
Yeah, that's it. Here all day.
Alright.
You see how they're not stopping even if the others line is moved?
Yeah.
See?
So
Eventually it stopped
when
that
there's a
line.
gap that's big enough that I'll move forward
No,
into.
there
I'll
won't
move
be.
into.
There won't be.
See? Now that these guys are coming through,
Now you need to follow this van.
I'll come in here
Follow
like
the
so
van.
and follow this here van. No worries. And me and my Lexus driver on my right here will just cruise along. Nothing to worry about.
Turn left here.
Left here. Alright. Yeah, with the bus coming, smiling encore.
Following the bus.
This is where we saw the Rolls Royce last time. Don't know if we'll see him this time. Watch out, kiddies.
Help that kid cross as well.
No, you're not going to help that little one?
No one.
We'll go slowly, slowly, slowly. There she goes. Good job. Yay.
Good job, let her go.
Right at the dentist.
Before the dentist. But what's happening to this two big truck here?
Just chilling out.
Why are you stopping? Hey.
Right. Does this street have a name?
No,
No. Just
my family street.
Your house is number 31 though.
Yeah, but the street doesn't have the name.
But they've got a mailbox. How would you put something in their mailbox?
Fake mailbox.
Huh?
Fake mailbox.
Fake mailbox.
Nobody bring mails to you.
They've got a mailbox too. They've all got
Yeah,
mailboxes.
fake mailbox.
I don't understand.
If you get sent them something, the post office call you or text you.
Really?
Or actually they come and find the house number too sometime.
No.
The house coming in.
No parking.
It's back on the
Just
side.
park out the front here. Like so. Here we are. We have made it.
Maybe.
Thank you very much for joining us on this drive from hotel. Because it was 16 minutes with a bit of traffic. Usually everything here is 10 minutes. We've made it, and hope you enjoyed our little journey. See you later.